said we'll make it home eventually. For now, take another trip with me.
And I can feel it in the air tonight.
Boogie Freshies! Welcome to the beautiful island of Rarotonga.
And the new season of Fresh.
I'm RAZÉ.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Jay Williams.
And here's what's coming up on Fresh.
Just take me higher, higher, higher.
Cheryl!
Oh my God!
Oh, what is she doing here?
What kind of perfume is that?
It's like she wants to lean into me.
She's obviously wearing links.
I've been dancing ever since I was 8.
The beautiful people of Rarotonga sure know how to show us a good time, and we definitely want to be in the mix.
For sure.
This is how we be keeping it fresh.
Kia ora, everyone. We're here to celebrate Rehab's 10th birthday party.
Coming together with all the Sinhala people. It's always good times, man.
Getting down with the locals, having heaps of fun. Rarotonga's the place to be. Keep it fresh!
Gotta keep it fresh.
Why laughing? Do I look like I am playing? What that's like? I'll start confessing. Is it true what I've been hearing? Is it true? Tell me why. You do me like you do. Tell me why. Hey!
RAZÉ, the baby of the family, you make me proud. I love you so much. You did so well tonight.
She gives me sex. She's my ride or die. You're my bad type of girl. She's my kiddo woman.
I'll tell you what's fresh about Raro. Us ladies. Woo! Raro is a definition of fresh.
You're my man, so take your place. I'll be your queen for now. Like it when you call me baby.
It's an honor having the Williams share the stage with me because I grew up with like listening to Marvy L.
It's an honor, Arena. You did beautifully tonight.
Get up for the Williams family. Some actual singers. Go.
I don't want nobody else. I don't need somebody else to tell me about love. I am strong on my own.
Keep it fresh!
What's fresh about Raro? If you give us a theme, we'll dress to it. For sure.
Well, it's just a last minute thing. These are like frito, pearl shells like in between, like this one here. This was originally made for our Miss Earth Cook Islands who wore it at the Miss Earth in Philippines, and it just came back.
What's fresh about my outfit tonight? William White is the man. I love him. He's my idol. Keep it fresh.
My fresh tip for the water today is, seriously, don't.
Who cares? Just tie it up in a bun and jump in the water.
Yeah, only in Raro once.
And here's some more fresh tips.
Kia ora, Freshies. I'm Kira Hap
And I'm Emma Kainuku Walsh, and we went for Arctic Adventures.
on the beautiful island of Rarotonga.
And here are some fresh tips to keep you safe while you're on the island.
Kia ora. Welcome to our office.
Yay!
Fresh tips to keep you safe in our waters.
When you're swimming in deep water, always swim with a buddy. Safe.
Our passages are beautiful, but dangerous. Always swim with the professionals like ourselves from Ariki Adventures. Safe. And if you're feeling unsafe in our lagoons, just stand up. It's very shallow. Spearfishing is one of the coolest things to do on the island. But don't be a hero and just shoot anything. Not safe. You shoot to eat.
Can I shoot that one?
Not safe.
That one?
Not safe.
And the ume?
Safe.
Yeah. Why is that?
Ume, pipi, and ku are the safest fish to eat. Every other fish is fish poisoning.
And a fresh tip without coral? No touching. Just looking. It hurts it.
Kia ora, Anna.
Give me a long back.
Not safe.
While you're on the island, it's safe to have manners. Let's try that again.
Kia ora, Anna.
Popongi.
Popongi means good morning.
Can I please have a long black?
Sure.
Meitaki. And meitaki means thank you. Manners, safe, and attractive. Yeah.
In the Cook Islands, it's very important to know where your tupuna come from. So learn your Ano history, otherwise you could be dating your cousin. Where you from, brother?
Aitutaki.
Where you from, sister?
Rarotonga.
Safe. My boyfriend's Italian.
Safe.
Now you know how to keep it safe in Rarotonga. Ka kite.
Don't go away, freshies. We got more after the break. Woo! It's nice that she's part of this generation of music.
Oh, you know the headband, I was saying. You got a fever or something?
No, I never get a fever, darling. Oh, gosh, I just get a diva.
Jackie
Chan.
Jackie Chan. Listen, who's better, Jean-Claude Van Damme or Jackie Chan?
Jackie Chan.
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 Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. If you change your mind, I'm the first in line. Honey, I am free. Jackie Chan's on me. If you're feeling, let me know. I'll be around. And I've got no place to go. I'm leaning down. Jackie Chan on me.
All right.
Welcome back to Fresh. I am absolutely loving Rarotonga. It's so beautiful here. But there is no place like home, so I'm sending you back to Auckland. My name is Lavina Williams, aka RAZÉ, and this is my world.
I'm feeling high when I'm with you, boy. Every time that I'm near you, boy, I just can't explain.
My freshies, welcome to the whare. I am the youngest in the Williams family. I've just dropped my EP called 4 Seasons, which I'm really excited about.
Sitting on the floor, waiting for you. Here we go again. Round and round, round.
We are here sitting with my 2 sisters. We have Lavina, she's my manager at the moment, and she's also a veteran in the business.
Depend on me in all your times of need.
My sister Emily Williams, she's had a lot of success in her life as well. She came second in Australian Idol. She is based in Melbourne. She has just finished the Bodyguard tour. If you missed out on that, all good, because I missed out on it too, which sucks.
Maybe we should take this real slow.
We all have our different styles. You know, my era, as well as Emily's era and Jay Williams, our brother. And then we had Whitney Houston, Celine Dion, Aretha Franklin, Shaka Khan. RAZÉ, you've got that trap sound, and it's very different from what I know.
I'm feeling high when I'm with you, boy. Every time that I'm near you, boy, I just can't explain.
Is it Zaza, the one that you always listen to?
SZA?
I'm
Like scissors, what you mean? What you mean scissors? She listens to all these types of singers. She's applied it to her sound, I feel. It's nice that she's part of this generation of music.
I've been dancing ever since I was 8. That was my first love. My brother, Jay Williams, also known as Josh, he's the one that got me into dancing. 2014, I actually went over to the World Hip Hop Champs with Identity Dance Company.
Give you a dose of bad medicine.
With RAZÉ, she's got something special, and she's also a triple threat. She takes pride in her craft.
Sorry, I feel like crying.
Oh my gosh.
The greatest thing about my sisters is that they're very bold about what they do. I wouldn't be where I am without them. I'm excited for what the future holds because I know that they've got my back. But I'm just happy that you're here, that's all.
And I'm happy I'm here too. I rang her up and I said to her, I was like, hey, you want to come to Raro to a gig with me in Raro? She was like, are you sure? I was like, yeah, I'm sure, come on.
Tell me why do we fuss and fight?
You know what? Like, she's so young, and like, if that's what she's bringing out right now, just imagine what like she's gonna bring out like in a couple years' time. Like, she's already on point, like right now.
I was drawn to you, I was drawn to you.
My style actually came
from Mum. Very thrifty.
Yeah, because I remember she used to take me to the op shops, but like she showed me that you can make anything out of nothing.
You can make anything look good out of nothing, yeah. Her and Mum have the closest. She's the baby. It's just freaking spoiled, like to the max. Can still live here with Mum and Dave till her death. Like, really? You better get the hell out of the house. Let us have her. Is that cool? Is that cool?
Thank you, Freshies, for coming into my room.
Text on my way. I'ma make it say, I'ma make it say, I'ma make it say, okay.
Don't go anywhere, Freshies. We've got a brand new comedy segment called Fresh Tingz coming right up.
But I've got to go.
Marie?
Yeah. I'm Marie.
Both of you?
Yes, I'm here. Marie here. Kia ora.
Kidney. This my adult knee, eh? This my kidney.
Oh yeah? Well, my son, he go to the kidney garden. You go.
Gotta be kidney me, man.
Oh, okay, my bad. Let's start from the very beginning.
Welcome back to Rarotonga, Freshies.
Coming up next is our brand new segment.
Showcasing innovative natives, just like this guy, who are fresh out the box.
Kia ora, my name's Stormy. Currently live in Rarotonga as a full-time artist. Mostly do tattoo, the tattoo studio here. The studio's name is Kareha, which is the kind of umbrella that houses myself. I'm under Pacific Ink, and Raniere Allison, he's under Akairo Creative. I studied whakairo. I did carving with Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. With our studio, what we're hoping to do is have an art studio as opposed to just tattoo. So eventually carving. Raniere already does shell carving. The vibe we're trying to give out is more tattooing with a purpose. It's not about pushing people out and getting numbers in. We get quite selective. Today we're going to be doing Casey's first tattoo, Onu, which is a turtle, for her travels and to represent her family. Some of the designs that we'll be using, one of the main ones is called Morioma. It's a Cook Island design. It's people holding hands, so this is to represent her extended family. Flippers, we have the shark's nest, so the Neomango. Those are protection designs. So you're done?
Oh, I'm happy. I'm wrapped.
Living and working in Rarotonga is awesome. I grew up in New Zealand. Moved here when I was 17. Began my apprenticeship with my uncle, T. One of the main tattooists here, still is. That was the first time I'd been here since I was 3. I didn't actually think I would like it here. And after about 4 months, I knew I wanted to be based here for the rest of my life.
See my brother right here? Thinks he's a comedian. Not rude. Nah, but here's what's real crack up with fresh Tingz.
You're a fresh Tingz.
These are fresh Tingz. Over there.
These
No.
fresh Tingz.
All right, we'll be family by the end of this.
So gonna be
Happy whānau. Oh my gosh, if we run out of tin foil at the reception, just use your jacket. I wasn't expecting, you know.
There'll be lots of learning at the marae. Learning at the marae.
Yeah, so I've been doing Pilates for 6 years, just observation. Yeah. And one day...
Gosh, I've been... Got all my new gears, as you can see.
2020.
Got my gears going on. I can't wait to do my class. Gosh, it's been a while. Oh, I tell you, it's like since '96. I won't be telling anyone that one, that's for sure. So, those ones, I'm just... yes, how's May going anyway? How have you fellas been?
Okay,
Did you just get all those things, all those kai that I ordered? Like, very good.
Really?
Okay,
you
thank you
just
for bringing that. Right. I'm just gonna...
Oh, that's ATOMIC. Yeah, just,
Hey, girl!
Oh, my God.
Oh, you were right there. Oh. What is she doing here? And what
kind of perfume is that?
It's like she wants to lean into me.
She's obviously wearing links.
Lean on your own breakfast, gosh, sort it out. This hug is going for too long, honestly.
Oh, girl! Oh my gosh, it's been ages.
I was just wondering. I was thinking, is that girl? Is that girl? No, she doesn't come up this end. You're up this end.
Yeah, I'm up lots of ends. Just picking up coffee.
No. Oh gosh, it's the last thing. Hello, I drink here. Hello.
Oh.
No, I do the combat. I run it.
What sort of combat?
Mortal combat.
Oh.
Combat with a K. I run it. Street Fighter, we do that outside. My gosh, how are you?
I'm, doing really well, ever since this, since celebrations.
Yeah, I know.
Our kids splitting up.
Yeah.
Yes!
Well, my boy was, he just had enough. Too much high maintenance.
Yeah, we had enough of him too.
Too much, he moved back home.
Yeah.
Oh, look, he's with this gorgeous girl. She's like
wow.
Miss Aotearoa. She gave it all up for him.
Oh,
it's gonna
gosh,
tell you
she's
something, eh? I
stupid.
mean, gosh.
Yeah.
She's actually really clever. I really like that.
Why did she give it up? My daughter, she's found,
herself.
Found herself within
oh my gosh,
a company of very, very fine people.
It was just hard. The language barrier and all. It was just getting too hard.
What do you mean?
The language. Look, I didn't know.
She was speaking English.
I know, but she was. I didn't know whether the K was a G or the P was a B or the B was a P. When we,
Yeah.
We're gonna go, to the polling
right.
club. Those sorts of things.
Well, I know because when your son told me to listen in te reo, I thought he was swearing at me, and I was like, "Don't you tell me to."
Whakarongo.
Yeah, but lucky I heard the rongo part.
Loving the look.
I love your, this, what is?
Oh, this here. Oh gosh, darling, this is the Winston look. But these ones here, these are the ones that the Kardashians are wearing.
Oh,
yeah.
when?
Yeah, Kardashian.
And I love this.
Oh my God.
It's very 19.
My girl. Oh my God, I'm gonna get you a personalised belt bag.
No, please don't. It's all good. It's all good.
I'll get you one made out of tapa. I can do that. Oh my gosh, I love your top. Is that from like Pacifica or 275? Where's that from?
I know the headband, I was saying. You got a fever or something?
Oh, no. I never get a fever, darling. Oh, gosh, I just get a diva. I don't know if you know, but I saw your girl up on Karangahape.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I saw her up there. I'm not too sure what she's doing, but my
she's
gosh.
probably giving your son his wallet back?
She was on the block.
On the corner?
She was on the block, my girl.
Okay, and what were you doing there?
Getting a kebab. I worked late.
Okay.
Yeah, I was getting a kebab.
And who filled your kebab?
Oh, gosh.
So long?
It's been so long.
Yeah, well, not long enough. But, you know, I would love to stay and talk, but I've got to go.
Marie?
You know when... My goodness. Te aha tēnei.
Marie?
Please touch.
Looking for Marie?
Yeah.
I'm
Yes,
Marie.
Both of you?
Yes, I'm
Kia
here.
ora. Marie, Maria.
yeah.
Kia ora.
Okay.
No, he didn't say Maria. He
All right,
said
let's
Marie.
go.
Oh.
I'll take both of you. Good job, Marie. Did awesome.
Mari.
Mari. Okay.
Tau te rangi.
All right.
Mari.
Okay, ladies, that's our warm-up done, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and bring out the heavier loads for us to use. We're just gonna get straight into it, okay? All right. Marie? Marie?
Thanks for hanging out with us, Raro Freshies. We've had the best time ever.
Here's what's coming up next week on Fresh.
Hello, Lele. Welcome to Fresh 2018. Matematonga means time for tonga.
Kickin fresh together.
Okay.